nice. Yeah. Oh, faded yellow headlights can really drag appearances down. Fortunately, it's an easy fix, like half an hour easy. This is how to restore faded headlights with 5 simple steps. What you'll need: car wash, a bucket, a sponge, masking tape, a buffing pad, some microfiber towels, and a headlight lens restorer kit. Step 1. Prepare your headlights and the surrounding area with a quick wash to remove any bugs and grime. Then dry the area off and apply masking tape to protect the area surrounding your headlight. Step 2. Time for some elbow grease. Apply a dab of the lens clarifying compound to your buffing pad and rub the entire headlight over with moderate pressure. Then buff this off with a clean cloth. Don't be surprised if you have to do this a few times. But if your arm feels like it's going to fall off and your headlights are still hazy, it's time for Step 3, a deeper restoration, which means more buffing. Grab the restoration pads and, starting with a number 1, use a few squirts of spray lubricant and buff each headlight in a back and forth motion. Then wipe the headlight, apply more lubricant and move through pads 2, 3 and 4 in the same way. When that's done, you're ready for Step 4, which is to repeat Step 2. You guessed it, buffing. But hey, after this, those headlights will look super! And so will your arms. The last step is to protect your headlights to make sure they stay looking super. Slip on the included glove, then use the lens base coat wipe, followed by the lens sealing wipe, and allow this to dry before you remove the masking tape. And that's it. Now your headlights won't just look super. Oh, nice! They'll work super well too. Find detailed instructions and more videos to help you make it super at Supercheap Auto's Super DIYs.